I made a Black Forest iced mocha and it tastes insane. Hey coffee lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a Black Forest iced mocha, a rich and refreshing drink inspired by the classic chocolate cherry dessert. With bold coffee, sweet cherry flavor, and creamy chocolate goodness, this drink is perfect for indulgent moments. If you love dessert-style coffees, you're going to fall in love with this one. Let's get started. Ingredients. You'll need 1 cup cold brewed coffee, or chilled espresso 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, or chocolate syrup 1-2 tablespoons cherry syrup per cup milk, or a dairy-free alternative ice, whipped cream, and chocolate shavings or cherries for garnish directions. Start by filling a tall glass, ice. In a small bowl or directly in your glass, mix the cocoa powder with a splash of hot water or coffee to dissolve it smoothly, or simply use chocolate syrup for convenience. Pour the chocolate mixture over the ice, then add the cherry syrup. Stir gently to combine those rich flavors. Next, pour in your cold brew coffee or chilled espresso. Slowly add the milk, creating a beautiful layered look if desired. Give it a gentle stir to blend everything together. Top your drink with a generous swirl of whipped cream. For that signature Black Forest touch, sprinkle chocolate shavings on top and add a cherry for garnish. And that's your Black Forest iced mocha. Rich, fruity, and absolutely irresistible. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your coffee-loving friends. It's the perfect dessert drink for any time of day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next delicious and creative coffee recipe. Happy sipping, friends! Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com/3coffeelover.